Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Logan again with 100 Days of Option Trades. Today is July 21st, 2021. It's a Wednesday, and it's about 11:37 Eastern Time. So this is episode number 12 already. It's kind of crazy. It's been 12 days, almost 2 weeks of doing this. So I guess over 2 weeks of doing this. So kind of crazy how time flies. I've only posted 2 videos. I will be posting the other ones soon. Just gotta make some thumbnails and stuff for YouTube. Not very good at it, so we'll get those posted soon. Let's check the news for the markets today. Actually, another big update here. So yesterday, if you go and look at my Google spreadsheet, I traded this SPY call. The market dropped 2% on Monday. I bought this call on Monday. I accidentally bought 10. I had this at 1. I'm like, yesterday, I'm like, oh yeah, sweet, 48% profit. $278 profit. That's awesome. But no, I actually had this at 10 options. So I made $2,780 profit on accident yesterday, which is absolutely ridiculous. That could have gone horribly the wrong way because I only had my stop loss set for one contract, not 10. So if that would have reversed, we could have lost a couple $1,000. But I had my risk, at 1,200 to make 2,800. But yeah, that is accidental. So now I think for the rest of the series, instead of trading just one contract, like how most of these have been won, I'm gonna trade 2 contracts, 5 contracts, 10 contracts, just kind of depending on the cost. And we're just gonna see what happens, just trading a few more contracts and using a little bit more capital. I know we started out small, um, trying to use under $10,000 at a time, so this may not be the best fit, but I just kind of want to do it, see what happens, play with some of this money that we won here, 2,700 bucks. So, um, and also yesterday I sold this Twitter put. I don't know, Twitter's earnings coming up seem to be leaning a little bit more towards the call side, so I sold this put for a loss, $36. Um, and then we still have the Twitter call. It's at $4.12, and we had the Apple call from yesterday is at $4.50. So let's see, the Apple we bought for $4.20, and the call is up. So both of these are up 30, 40 bucks. These call options here. Could close them, but I'm gonna leave them open. We're trying to make some home run hits here. Intel, this is gonna be a long-term play. Palantir, long-term, long-term. If I just type long. This is Intel. This is a Twitter call. Earnings play. Earnings play on Twitter. And that is actually going to be tomorrow, I believe, and this call expires Friday. So it's really make or break. $400 of risk going into this. Very risky. But we're here to, this is paper trading, so we're trying new strategies today. Today is Wednesday. Let's see what we can buy today. I had DraftKings in mind. DKNG. So football season, as you know, is coming up. NBA just ended. Football season's coming up at the end of August, going into September. So I think if we buy maybe like a call for next January, 144 days away, 184 days away. So the stock is currently at $48, and man, it's up 5% today. So not a great time to buy these calls at 20% value here. But if you look at the chart, these calls were worth, up to $28 back in March. $16 back in April, and $12 back June 15th. So we are coming off the bottom here. I don't know if I could throw. Let's see if it'll throw the RSI. So we kind of missed the buy there. We're kind of in the middle now. You know, so this option was 520 yesterday. Now it's 655. Let's just buy 2 of these. I feel good about it. So, well, the last one sell for 679. This is a January call. It's got to get to $50. It's got to get to pretty much $60 to make our money back on this by January, so this will kind of be a long-term play here. If it fills, come on now. Did it for 680, last trade 679. It's got 10,000 open interest on these. So there you go, filled at 680. Add to the sheet real quick. So DK and G, January 22 call. And we had what? $50 call? Call 2, we spent 680. So yeah. Let's do the stop loss at let's go back here. So low 450. We'll do stop loss at 450. So we're just getting a little bit of money here. Trying to see if we can get up back to this 11 range and make so if we sell it at, you know, we'd be making 470 bucks, or we'd be making 940 bucks risking 460. So yep, so that's our buy-in for today. DraftKings, check the news. The S&P 500's up 0.6 today. Dow's up, Nasdaq's up, everything's up. So we had let's just go look back at this chart. So Friday we were at 435, kind of dropped down a little bit towards the afternoon, and Monday the stock absolutely, the S&P tanked down to 423, and then Tuesday a 2% drop, and then Tuesday went almost up a full 2% back up to what it was, 434, 435. So you're up again today, and yeah, the markets are recovering quickly. Not so scared of COVID anymore. It's pretty interesting to see that. Bonds are rallying. Yeah, pretty just standard day here, and yeah, nothing too crazy. We did buy that option. It's more of a long-term play, probably somewhere around football season, September, October. Before we exit that one, I'll try and find a better option to trade tomorrow on Thursday. I'll try to find a better option to trade Thursday. But yeah, it's episode number 12. Still can't believe I made that mistake and we made $2,000 in this paper trade account. That is nuts. We're gonna try doing bigger $1,000 to $5,000 positions to kind of see where that goes. Just since that one kind of worked out, at least on the ones that I'm really sure about. Like, you know, the SPY dropped 2%. It's gonna go back up when you have a drop like that, eventually. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and peace out.